Well, here we go. Mustang. Customer states engine died on the highway. Hmm. Well, there's something in there. And it's as black as can be. I don't see any metal in it. I can almost see my reflection though. But we already knew all this, and we got a new engine to go in.